How to find safe browsing on Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find safe browsing on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, click on it and click on those 3 points up there. Now click on setting, scroll down and click on privacy and security. And now you have the second option, which is safe browsing. Click on it and here you choose whatever you want. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.